Hello, welcome guys. This is Abdul Aziz again from techbiz.com, techbusiness.com. Where I'll be sharing with you some of my tools and tricks that I use for my online business. All right, in today's video, what I'll be sharing with you is what I'm using for one of my website, for my client's website, which is Carousel for the post. Right. I'm using a DB theme for this particular website. As you all know, I like DB theme. Most of my websites I'm using DB theme. As you can see on this page, on this website, we have a testimonial here. This is actually post testimonial. This is actually post testimonials. What I've done here is I have created it in terms of a carousel. You know, this is a carousel. Okay. So why do I want to make it into a carousel? Okay, the reason why I want to make it into a carousel, if you were to view this particular page using mobile devices, for example, this is the mobile device, you can see that in the mobile device viewing, you only have one post being viewed. So it looks nice compared to you only have for example non carousel type of post, which is this one. So you have to probably keep on clicking all the entries to see the other posts. But for carousel posts, you can see the post moving automatically. So this is what the reason why I like. There's a lot of people who like to use carousel posts because it looks nice on mobile devices. So how do I make this thing? How do I make this feature available? So what I do is actually, if you look at the plugins that I'm using, this is actually the plugin that I'm using, Carousel Slider. Let me see. Okay, this is the Carousel Slider plugin. So if you just find out more details about the plugin, this is the. Let me see. Where's the? You can just click here, view the details. So this is the plugin. This is the plugin, Carousel Slider. Okay, let's see how we're going to do it. So I'm going to be setting up this thing on a fresh website. This is a fresh website. There's nothing there now. I've already set up the fresh website. So what we're going to do now, we go back to here, Carousel Slider. So we select all slider. These are all sliders that I already created. So let's add a new slider. You can select here, add new slider. So here we can choose several type of sliders. We can choose image slider, image carousel, using URL, post carousel, video carousel, hero carousel, and product carousel. Okay. Now let's do the post carousel first. Let's call this thing. Let's say, let me call this. Say this is one of the. Let me see this carousel. Carousel 2. So we choose it as post carousel. Let's call it post carousel 2. We choose post carousel. So click next. All right. Okay. Now let's do query type. So we can choose the latest post. But we're going to choose post categories. So we're going to select the category. So we can select here. You can just click on the box here. You can see all the categories that we already have for this particular post. Now let me see. What do I want to choose now? Let me see. Okay, let's choose this. Let's choose this H3 H2 plus bottle. There, 3 posts there. So now these are some settings that we can use. We can use a hard. Okay, we can just say we want to use medium. We want to use medium. Let's say we choose medium. This is the spacing, 10 pixel between each carousel. So these are things you can just leave them as they are. And the most important thing is actually our setting here. So see, we only have 3, or even if we have more than 3 posts, normally I would like to make it as desktop, having only 3 column appearing, on tablet 2, small tablet 2, and on mobile is only 1. So let's save this now. Let's save this. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to paste this code here. Let's copy this code here. Next, we want to go to our carousel here, a new page that we created. So in this section now, we just add a new code, code module. Okay, this is our code module. So now we add the short code just now that which we have copied. Okay, this is the one. Let's see, this is the one. I think, yeah, 1272. This is the one. Okay, let's save it. And let's save it. So it appears here. Don't worry about this. It appears like this, so don't worry. Just save it first. Okay. Now let's go to the front end. And let's reload the front end. There you are. We have the 3 posts now appearing here. Okay. So why I'm saying here, because in this particular post I have some description, but in this post I have no description. What I can do now is I can just go to this post and delete this description, or I can add some excerpt here on the in this description. So there you are. This is how it appears on the and on what is it, on desktop. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Okay, just hold on. So there you are. You have only one carousel appearing on mobile, which looks nice, basically. So there you are. Which looks nice. Okay. So this is how you do post carousel. And as a bonus, I just want to share with you how we can do this also for our e-commerce products. So let's go back to this thing here. Let's go to our slider here. So these are all the sliders. So we can add new carousel here. Let's call this feature product. Product. So let's select product carousel. Select here. Okay. So this is the query of the product. So you have several products: feature product, recent product, sale product, best selling product. These are things that we can set in our e-commerce. So we can show title, show rating, show price, show cat button, show sale tag. So we can just leave it as it is. So these are the setting for the images. So as usual, I like to choose a medium size. Okay, so I think the rest we can leave them as they are. Autoplay, and similarly, okay, I just like to make it 4 now on the desktop. So that's about it. So let's now save changes. So let's say let's update now. Okay, so now this is carousel. So just select here again, copy this. So let's go back here to our here. So let's add a new section here. Let's call this let's call let's add text here. So we call this feature product. Products. Let's so let's make this into H1. Let's center it. Okay. Now we add our code module. Sorry, we can just, even without this, we can just add our code module. So we add now this code that we've just created for the feature product, slider number 1274. So we just paste here. So the feature product is going to appear. Stick it sometime. Yeah, there you are, the feature product. Don't worry, it's appearing like this. Don't worry, just save it. Just save it and save it. Okay, let's go back to the front end now. Let's see how it appears. So there you are, the feature product. So if you want to change the background, if you don't like this background, you can just go back here. I don't like this background, so I want to change the background. So product title. So I don't want to have any color, background color. I just want to make it as white. And update it. So let's refresh the page. So there you are. You have a nice looking carousel of your feature products. Okay. So it looks nice. And if you go to mobile viewing, let's refresh this page now for mobile viewing. Feature products. There you are. The carousel. Okay. So it's only one product being viewed for our feature products in mobile devices. So that's about it, guys. The tip that I can share to you today, a WordPress tip actually, it's not a DB tip. It's a WordPress tips. We can actually use this for any type of website that we have, or rather any type of theme that we have for our website. So I hope you guys have some benefit from this video. So if you like the video, if you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video to your friends. So okay, that's about it. My video for today. All right, bye bye.